Hello students, this question is taken from test series 4 IN from the subject measurements from the topic measurement of basic electrical quantities, and it is of common data question for question number 50. The given question, a torsion head type dynamometer of a current 36 ampere required a deflection of 90 degrees, which is nothing but torsion head dynamometer is having a current of 36 amperes with required deflection of 90 degrees in the need to give balance. So we have to find the value of range of the instrument for the maximum angle 360 degrees is dash ampere. We have to find the value of range of the instrument at maximum angle, that is deflection angle theta is equal to 360 degrees. Given current dynamometer current, that is I1 is equal to 36 ampere at deflection is 90 degrees. We know the torque equation. Torque is directly proportional to square of the current, that is torque T is directly proportional to I square, and also torque is directly proportional to the deflection, that is theta. From these two relations we can write, that is current deflection is equal directly proportional to square of the current, that is theta is directly proportional to I square. From this, I is directly proportional to square root of theta. From this, I1 is directly proportional to the root of I1 theta 1. From this, I1 by I2 is directly proportional to square root of theta 1 by theta 2. In order to find the value of I2, I2 is equal to I1 root of theta 2 by theta 1. We know the value of I1, that is given dynamometer current 36 ampere and deflection, that is theta 1 is 90 degrees and maximum angle is given, that is theta 2 is 360 degrees. Theta 2 is 360 degrees and theta 1 is 90 degrees. So on solving this, we will get the value of 72 amperes. That is, the range of the instrument is 72 ampere for the maximum angle 360 degrees. In this session, we have studied about how to calculate the range of the instrument for the given torsion head dynamometer. Thank you.